Hello friends, welcome to Lawyer's Kingdom. How are you doing today? Today we are talking about dealing with threats, understanding your rights and taking appropriate action. Living in a society where threats and intimidation are unfortunately prevalent, it is crucial to be aware of your rights and take necessary steps to protect yourself. This comprehensive guide aims to provide a detailed overview of dealing with threats in India, including the relevant sections of the law, step-by-step procedures, and legal remedies available in such situations. Understanding the law. In India, several legal provisions protect individuals from threats and intimidation. It is important to be familiar with the following sections of the Indian Penal Code (IPC) when dealing with threats. A. Section 503 IPC Criminal Intimidation. This section defines the offence of criminal intimidation, which includes making any threat to cause harm or damage to a person or their property. It covers both verbal and written threats. Violation of this section can lead to imprisonment or a fine. B. Section 506 IPC Criminal Intimidation by Anonymous Communication. This section addresses the offence of criminal intimidation through anonymous communication, such as threatening messages or calls. Violators can face imprisonment, a fine, or both. Steps to take. When faced with a threat, it is essential to follow these steps to protect yourself and take appropriate action. A. Document the threat. Preserve any evidence related to the threat, such as messages, emails, or recorded conversations. These records will serve as crucial evidence during legal proceedings. B. Inform the authorities. Report the threat to the nearest police station and provide them with all relevant details and evidence. They will initiate an investigation into the matter. C. Seek legal advice. Consult with a lawyer specializing in criminal law to understand your rights, options, and the legal remedies available to you. Legal remedies. Depending on the severity of the threat and the circumstances, the following legal remedies can be pursued. A. Filing a police complaint. Provide a detailed statement to the police, along with the evidence you have collected. They will register a First Information Report (FIR) and initiate an investigation into the matter. B. Obtaining a restraining order. If the threat persists or you fear for your safety, you can approach the court to obtain a restraining order. This order prohibits the person making the threat from contacting or approaching you. C. Initiating a legal case. In serious cases where the threat has caused harm or there is a genuine apprehension of harm, you may file a criminal case against the person responsible. Legal proceedings will follow accordingly, and the court will determine the appropriate punishment. Mayank, a working professional residing in India, found himself in a distressing situation when he started receiving menacing threats from an anonymous individual. Alarmed by the gravity of the threats, Mayank promptly took action to protect himself. He compiled evidence of the threatening messages, reported the matter to the local police station, and sought legal counsel. By invoking Section 503 of the Indian Penal Code, which deals with criminal intimidation, Mayank filed a police complaint against the unknown perpetrator. He provided the necessary evidence, including screenshots of the threatening messages, and cooperated fully with the investigation. In parallel, Mayank obtained a restraining order from the court to ensure his safety and peace of mind. The legal proceedings progressed, and ultimately, the perpetrator was brought to justice and faced appropriate punishment for their actions. Mayank's swift response, coupled with his understanding of the law and support from legal professionals, enabled him to safeguard himself and send a strong message that threats and intimidation will not be tolerated in society. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for regular updates.